Today I'm playing Don't Push the Button again. Whoa. I don't think I heard of it. Stay away from the light. I don't think I've actually heard of that challenge before. I mean, there's so many challenges. Maybe it's actually been out for a while and I just didn't realize. But I actually don't know this. But it's clearly a challenge. Interesting one.
As you can see, I still make awesome content. These are pretty cool raining sometimes. It's the worst challenge you have. But I do like Western challenge. I'm not like excited because it's good back. Because it does motivate and just put out. I haven't gotten a chance yet to do it. I didn't really get a chance to do it on the last one. Maybe this okay, you can grab the most. Maybe one time I really want like kind of like all of the challenges. But honestly there's so many that I don't feel like left challenging. There might still be a few I could but I'll just run one. I know there's more than how much I grab. So it's time to get back up and re-grab it. That one. Okay. Just gonna get some more. Go away. I still miss some of I got last one. Color the most amount of tiles. I like this one. Ooh. Sometimes with my carpet this happens, I accidentally get stuck off the map. If I'm not careful from finding it go at the wrong time. I hate it. And now I can't win this one. I was putting out like a carpet. I literally always want first place in this one. Like it goes so fast and all over the place. I get all of it. I literally always win this one. First place. But this is what, because this is going to break it since I'm still here. And now I'm like, I can't do it. Tsunami. I better get flying. Carpets are extremely useful since it's hard to get up high. Here, I guess I can't fly in. At least I like the height. Oh, this is quite high. This is so cool. I need to go up higher at least. Take it fast. Oh, I know this one. Jump on the wall to the tree. And here's a tree. Yeah, sometimes I do that. I'll accidentally fire something in there. I can also control it now. Far away. Fly to. There we go. And then I can just fly around. On this tree I can fly out to. I don't know about all the fight things you can get in this game. Honestly, that carpet's the best one. There's a glider in the shop because you fly forward and get 10. So obviously it's the worst one. You can't fly forward. Now this is the carpet. It's also in the shop. Use by 6,000 coins and now costs 2,000 coins. And it flies forever and it's not hard to compare. Ooh! Rough people. And like, don't fall off. So, yeah. It's actually really tricky if you can't fall. Because I know it doesn't look very hard right
You could be AFK and it'll be fine. So yeah, cutscenes. Okay, I better fight over this. So in some challenges, the card is not as complicated. I'm just gonna try. This one's easy. I can figure out how to fight. I started finding it. Bye. That was bye.